No one was spared from fear when the strong 6.8 magnitude earthquake rocked Sarangani province on Friday, a day filled with drama.
Nagpanik talaga ang lahat and hindi na na-apply yung dock cover and hold na sinasabi nila. Nasa third floor kami noon at that time and na-feel ko talaga na yung shaking ng building ba and
Sobrang takot kasi yung first time yun nangyari na sobrang lakas ng lindol. Kawawa naman yung mga bata, parang natulala sila tumatakbo kahit saan-saan lang.
Even the municipal hall in Glan, Sarangani was severely damaged. From walls to ATMs to tiles to windows. Just a few meters from the arc leading to the municipality, huge chunks of rocks from the mountainside can be found.
Natakot kami kasi pagbaba namin, nakita namin yung mga malalaking bato naglaglagan na dito sa sa highway. Akala talaga namin aabutan. Pati nga itong arc, akala din talaga namin babagsak kasi para siyang parang duyan ng mga gumaganyan po.
Roads were unpassable for a few hours. Mayor Yap admits they have limited resources and restoration efforts may take 3 weeks to a month.
Ako sa munisipyo, hindi ko kaya for sure, no. My only calamity quick response money for now is only 7 million lang. So I really need the help of the national government.
In the city of Malapatan, this house owned by the Suharto family collapsed and their newly bought pickup truck was crushed. Suhar says the clearing operations took about a whole day.
Ang ginawa nila, hinangkat yung bahay ko, pinalabas yung sasakyan ko. Pagkatapos nung nakita ko ang bahay ko, akala ko magamit ko, hindi na talaga.
More than 50 houses ang nasira. Yung light materials ang pinakagrabe.
At Datu Pangulima Integrated School in Barangay Sapu Pidado in Malapatan, the roofs of these covered grounds have fallen during the quake, resulting in the injuries of some students and teachers.
Din it's so blessed po na nangyari po yung trahedya na lindol na wala pong casualties na mga kabataan namin dito sa DPIS. May mga injured lang konti.
To give way to further damage assessment and repairs, the provincial government of Sarangani released an executive order on the work-from-home arrangements and class suspension in all public and private schools until tomorrow. Of the total death toll in Sarangani, 4 are from Glan while 1 is from Malapatan. EJ Gomez, CNN Philippines.